kids. Today we are going to the jungle to meet 20 wild animals. Are you ready? Let's roar, jump, and play with them. This is a lion. It is called the King of the Jungle. This is an elephant. It has a long trunk. This is a monkey. It loves to swing from trees. This is a bear. It loves honey and berries. This is a giraffe. It has a very long neck. This is a zebra. It has black and white stripes. This is a deer. It runs fast and has antlers. This is a fox. It is clever and quick. This is a wolf. It howls at night. This is a crocodile. It has a big mouth and sharp teeth. This is a hippopotamus. It lives in rivers. This is a rhinoceros. It has a big horn on its nose. This is a leopard. It runs very fast. This is a panda. It loves to eat bamboo. This is a kangaroo. It hops and carries its baby in a pouch. This is a gorilla. It is strong and lives in the jungle. This is a chimpanzee. It is very smart. This is a hyena. It laughs with a funny sound. This is a cheetah. It is the fastest animal on land. Yay! You did it! You learned 20 wild animals' names today. Wild animals are amazing. Some roar, some hop, some swim, and some run super fast. Let's say goodbye to our jungle friends with a big cheer. Bye-bye, wild animals.